Want to get full access to Elon Musk's Grok AI for just $2.50? Let me show you the exact steps. First, open up your browser and head over to x.com. Once you are logged into your account, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click right here on the Premium tab. Now, here is the trick. Depending on your region or current promotions, you might see a massive 50% off discount. As you can see, the premium tier is down to just $2.50 a month. Scroll down to check the features and make sure it says Enhanced Grok Access. Do not buy the basic tier because that won't give you the AI. Click Subscribe and Pay. This brings up the secure Stripe checkout page. Just fill in your payment details, and look at that, the total due is exactly $2.50. Hit subscribe and your account is upgraded. Now for the fun part. Open a new tab and go directly to grok.com. Click Sign in with X in the top right corner and click Authorize App to link your new premium status. And boom, you are in. You now have full access to Grok. Let's quickly test the Imagine feature. If this quick guide helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tech tutorials from Nova Guides. See you in the next one.